Good morning, class 4 students. The chapter number 14 of simple present continuous tense is going on. So let's continue on page number 67 exercises. A part, add ing to these verbs and write them correctly. We are now just creating these verbs by adding ing proper words. Run will change into running. Speak, speaking. Aim, aiming. Hit, hitting. Rub, rubbing. Make, making. Shine, shining. Leave, leaving. Quarrel, quarreling. Forget, forgetting. Now exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the brackets. Two verbs are given here. Any one is right. Just select the correct word, take it here and just write it here in the blank with the help of pencil. The bell dash ringing. According to the singular we will use is. The birds dash eating grains. For the plural we will use are. The doctor dash treating the patients. As the doctor is singular we will use is. Some women dash sowing seeds in the fields. Some women, we are talking about some persons, means more than two. It refers for a plural. We will use are. The oxen dash grazing. Plural we will use are. My foot dash aching, means having pain. Foot, singular we will use is. The goat dash lying on the ground because it is hurt. The goat, singular we will use is. Now just turn the page. Eighth one. Two deer dash lying on the ground because they are hurt. Two deer refers for plural we will use are. The children dash going to school. The children here are also plural we will use are. The soldiers dash guarding the borders of the country. The soldiers, plural we will use are. In this way we just complete it. Now exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. We are just also do the fill in the blanks with the help of present continuous tense form. Some verbs are given here. Just change it accordingly to the sentence in the present continuous tense form. The children dash some fruit. Eat is given here. The children are plural. So what we will use? The children are eating. Kate dash gifts for Christmas. Buy. Kate is singular we will use is buying. My father dash to Pune tomorrow. According to drive we will use father is singular is driving. The students dash in a play. Act. So the students are plural we will use are acting. I dash a book about India. Read. So according to I we will use am. I am reading. The plumber dash the taps. Repair. The plumber is repairing. My grandfather dash his 80th birthday today. Is celebrating. We dash a prayer meeting in the hall at 9 o'clock. We are having. They dash to Lakshadweep next week. Sail. They are sailing. The population of India dash increase. The population of India is increasing. Now exercise D. Rewrite these sentences in the present continuous tense. We will do this exercise. Simple present tense is given here and we have to just change the sentence into simple present continuous tense. I play in the park. I am playing in the park. Raju delivers newspaper. Raju is delivering newspaper. According to the subject we are using the verbs plus main verb first form. Ing is remaining same in every sentence. But we have to just change is, am or are according to the subject. Whether it is singular we will use is. For the plural we will use are and along with I we will use am. Shabir teaches Urdu to Kamal. Shabir is teaching Urdu to Kamal. And remember to put full stop at the end of every sentence. Make first letters in capital and also make capital letter of the proper nouns. Shami bowls beautifully. Shami is bowling beautifully. We use recycled paper. We are using recycled paper. Many Indians live in the United States of America. Many Indians are living in the United States of America. Some students do not behave properly. Some students are not behaving properly. Some people plant trees. Some people are planting trees. Mrs. Khanna takes care of some poor children. Mrs. Khanna is taking care of some poor children. The trees in our garden grow very fast. The trees in our garden are growing very fast. So in this way, just complete this. Now exercise E, we have to just rewrite each of these sentences once as an interrogative sentence and then as a negative. Means first we have to just write the sentence in interrogative and then it in negative. So I is meant for interrogative and N is meant for negative. Mala is practicing the guitar. How we will create the interrogative sentence? Is Mala practicing the guitar? And put question mark at the end. And the negative is Mala is not practicing the guitar. Full stop. They are visiting us tonight. Interrogative. Are they inviting us tonight? Sorry. Are they visiting us tonight? It is visiting. And the negative one is they are not visiting us tonight. Jyoti is arguing with Mitali. So interrogative sentences, is Jyoti arguing with Mitali? Question mark. And the negative is Jyoti is not arguing with Mitali. She is studying English. What is the interrogative? Is she studying English? Question mark. And negative is she is not studying English. We are going to the mall. What is the interrogative? Are we going to the mall? Question mark. And negative is we are not going to the mall. Full stop. So in this way, just complete this chapter of present continuous tense. Continue learning your work at your home, stay safe, and follow all the safety measures from being safe from COVID-19, and just continue learning your work, complete all your work that should be given to you, revise all the work for your RTPs also, and thank you class.